Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to post a product on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you can see that there are 6 icons here: home, watch, marketplace, profile, notifications, and menu. Here you click on menu and then you click on marketplace, which is under all shortcuts. At the top left, you see sell. You click on it, and here you click on create listing. You click on items, and then you add photos of your items. Click on done, and here you can add the title, extensions. Then you can add your price, category, hair extensions and wigs, condition new, description for sale. You can add your location, more details, and listing options. After that, you click on publish, which is at the top right. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.